Hi everybody, welcome back to Hand and Sand channel. Today I'm gonna do pouring on a bottle bottom on the spinner. So I'm using this white color as a base coat to make sure our paints can slide around easily. And by using this chopstick, we can easily find the center of this canvas. And now I'm just placing this at the center of this canvas. Let's make some pretty things. Starting with this white color, I'm using all these rainbow colors. I am repeating the same for a couple of times to get more petals. Let's try to get this off. Okay, so now I'm using this chopstick to make the petals. You can make the petals bigger or smaller as you wish. Now I'm giving the outside strokes. It looks too white at the center, so doing this with the same colors. Adding some white to the corners to make these colors slide around. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.